Is your Kia Seltos, Sportage, or Ceed key fob not working? First, confirm it's the battery by observing if the remote range has decreased or the LED indicator is flashing. For models between 2017-2025, you likely have a CR2032 battery, though newer hybrids 2024 Plus may use a CR1620. To open the fob, locate the small release slot, usually near the physical key blade. Use a small flathead screwdriver or coin to gently pry it open, taking care not to damage the plastic. The top half should slide or pop off, revealing the battery compartment. Once the key fob is open, note the orientation of the old battery with the positive side up. Remove the old battery and insert the new CR2032 battery with the correct polarity. Snap the case back together firmly. Test the fob by pressing the lock-unlock buttons near your vehicle. If it doesn't work, check for corrosion on battery contacts and clean gently with a soft cloth or isopropyl alcohol. In rare cases, reprogramming is needed. Refer to owner's manual, insert key, turn ignition to on, press fob buttons. If problems persist, visit a Kia dealership. DIY saves average $45.